Hello, boys and girls, and happy Monday. So this week we're going to be singing our letter sound song. Do you remember that song? Well, each day we're going to be singing about 5 or 6 letters so we can get through the whole alphabet by the end of the week. Today we're going to do letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, if you remember the song, make sure to sing it with me. Adam's apple. Adam's apple. Bug. Bug. Cut. Cut. Dance. Dance. Elbow. Elbow. Fish. Fish. Okay, so today our calendar helper is Ivy. So let's see what Ivy has for us today.
Hi. Hello, friends. Today we're going to do the calendar.
And do you know what day it is, Ivy?
The day
Is it Friday?
No.
No. But what day is it? It starts with the sound. Yeah, it's Monday. Can you say today is Monday? Monday. Now, how
11.
It is the 11th. Can you count with our friends up to the number 11?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. And Ivy, I see you have a pattern there. Can you tell your friends your pattern?
My pattern is red, purple. Red, purple. Red, purple. Red.
It'll be red today. Okay, we're going to cross out the 11th. Okay. Now, can you say it all together, Ivy? Today is Monday. What month is it? Another M sound. May 11. And the year is 2020.
2020.
Ivy, I have a tricky question for you. If today is Monday, what day was yesterday?
Sunday.
That's right! So yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Another tricky question for you. Ivy, what day will be tomorrow?
Sunday.
Oh, almost. So yesterday was Sunday. Sunday, Monday. Today's Monday. So tomorrow will be starts with a t sound. Tuesday. Okay, can you say bye to your friends?
Bye, guys. Have a nice video.
Wow, thank you, Ivy, for being our calendar helper today. Now we know today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. Okay, so today and tomorrow we're going to be doing an experiment. And the experiment is going to have to do with bubbles. So what we're going to do is first we're going to make a homemade bubble solution. And then I have a store-bought bubble solution. And then we're going to compare the two to see, does the store-bought solution give more bubbles, or does the homemade solution give more bubbles? So the first thing that we need to do is make the homemade solution because they say to wait overnight for the solution to fully work. So let's do that now.
Hi, today we're going to make a homemade bubble solution.
Okay, so the first thing we'll want to do is put in the water. So we have 1.5 cups of water. We have an old container that we're going to make this bubble solution in. Very nice.
This might fill the whole thing. Stop. No, it has to be the whole thing.
Okay. Wow, that is a lot. Okay, now we're going to put in 1/2 cup of dish detergent. Oh, try to get it inside the bowl, Ivy.
Well, some spilled, that's fine, right?
Yeah. Let's see if we can pick that up. Okay, we're back, and we tried to clean up as much soap from the table as we could. And now we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Yvonne, can you add it in? Our container is actually quite small, so I'm hoping this doesn't make it spill over.
It's going to go in it.
It's gonna go in it, but is it gonna spill outside of the container? I hope not.
It's going to get overflowing. It's very close.
Oh my
to the
goodness.
edge.
So now we're gonna stir it, and we're gonna use the other side and stir very slowly. And some water might come out, that's okay.
Let's do it together.
This may be a little, here, why don't you let Ivy do it for a little bit. Not very fast, kind of slow. Very good. Okay, will you give Yvonne a turn?
Be very careful.
Very careful, wow.
It's getting pretty sticky.
Yeah. So with this bubble solution, they need you to let it sit overnight. So tomorrow it'll be ready to use. Okay. Well, I think that's it. You can take out the stirring stick, Yvonne, or Ivy. There, one. Okay. What do you think? Do you think that looks like regular bubble solution? Oh my goodness, it looked like it already worked.
I mean, blow out that.
Ooh, okay, but you know what? To make it really good, we're going to let it sit overnight, okay? All right, say bye to your friends.
Bye.
Bye.
A big thank you to Ivy and Yvonne for making our homemade bubble solution. So the bubble solution that is store-bought that we're going to test is called Super Miracle Bubbles. So what we're going to do is that we're going to dip our bubble wand into the bubble solution. We'll blow, we'll count all the bubbles, and we'll do that 5 times because we need to have 5 trials for this experiment. Okay, we'll do that with the store-bought solution today, and tomorrow we'll do the same thing with the homemade solution. We're trying to see, which one is going to make more bubbles? As I blow them, I'm going to try my best to count the bubbles. But before we get started with our experiment, we have to make a hypothesis. What do you predict is going to happen? Do you think the store-bought bubble solution will produce more bubbles? Or do you think the homemade bubble solution will produce more bubbles? I made a chart or a table, and up top it says bubble experiment. Right here it says trial. I'm going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trials. And then here it says store-bought. This is the store-bought bubble numbers that I'll put here. And this is homemade. This is the homemade bubble numbers that I'll put here. Down below is my hypothesis. It says, I think the homemade bubble solution will make more bubbles. What do you think? What is your hypothesis? Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, I'm going to do my best to count the bubbles as I blow them, and I'm going to do that 5 times. I have my cup of super miracle bubbles. I have my bubble wand, and I'm going to get started. Dip. 1, 2. That made 2 bubbles. I'm going to put it on my chart. Oh, another 2 bubbles. This is interesting. My 3rd trial. 1, 2, 3, 4 bubbles that time. One, 2, 3, 4 bubbles again for my 4th trial. And my last and final trial. Let's see how many bubbles I get. Oh, I got 2 bubbles again. Okay, so I put in our numbers for our experiment for the store-bought bubbles. And tomorrow, once our bubble solution sits for overnight, then it'll be ready to test out. Okay, boys and girls, that is all I have for you today. A kiss, a hug if you want it, and a high five. Have a fantastic day.